Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday, the 20th, and excuse me, your girl is back with another spanking freaking video. This video is going to be a little bit taboo, a little bit controversial, but I want to know your comments below. Anyway, how are y'all doing? It is raining. It is early. My allergies is kicking my ass. I'm so sorry. I'm drinking my coffee. That just hits totally different when you make it at home. So I am back with some tips, tricks, and things that we do, that I do as a stay-at-home mom, how homemaker, whatever you want to title me. This is what I do to run my household, and it works just for me. You might want to implement, might want to try it. Okay. Rule number one, we absolutely do not allow our boys to play with guns. Toy guns, anything, none of that. The only time they're allowed to have any type of gun is if it's a water gun. Rule number two, we eat dinner 4 nights out the week together. We talk, we discuss things that's going on, how they feeling, and the normal stuff. Tip number three, you have to respect us in order to get respect. If you are disrespectful, you now have to earn your respect. That's what everybody in the household. Doesn't matter who you is. If you say something disrespectful, you need to go back, have a reality check. Number three, I cook maybe 3 to 4 days out of a week, maybe 4 to 3 days out of a week. If I'm doing laundry, I am not cooking. Saturday, Sunday, and Friday, Saturday, maybe Thursday, maybe Wednesday, I will not cook. We will have takeout. I am not going to overwhelm, stress myself out. Not going to happen. Number four, I must have a maintenance week to myself where I do things for just me. If I decide to not do one that month, that means the next month I get 2 weeks. Non negotiable. Number six, we teach our kids how to read, write, their name, their ABCs as age 2 to 3 during the potty training stages, which I know I'm at. The catch 22 to that is that's just what we teaching them. So where some parents will say, "Oh, well, my kids is not allowed to play on their tablet for more than this many hours." Well, my kids have 2 tablets. They have the Kindles. I'll show you. I'll show you. They have these little gadgets, and then they have iPads. These are learning. ABC Miles, learning activity only. YouTube Kids, iPad. You may not allow that in your house. I allow it in my house because I can see everything that they're doing. They can't order nothing. They can't get into nothing without my codes. So it works. Rule number four, everybody has a TV in their bedroom. They share, they take turns, but they have a TV if they are not on a gadget. On the weekends, it's free for all. TV, iPad, they have to do nothing learning, no learning activities because it is the weekend. Self explanatory. My boys, including my husband, in my house are to take out the garbage, sweep the floors, and it's non negotiable. Don't care how you feel, none of that. In about 2 weeks, they will be mopping the floors. Non negotiable. Why? Because to me, that's just what men do: garbage, sweeping, mopping, and it works. Number six, clean one room in your house per day, per week, however you feel to clean it. Example, I got up Friday morning, 3:30 in the morning, while everyone was asleep, and I deep cleaned my bathroom. It was quiet, it was peaceful, and it was no one up but me. Because you have clutter everywhere or parts of your house, and sometimes, depending on how long you've been there, you need to understand that it's okay to have it looking clutterful, but it's also okay to take a week to break that room down to the way you want it to be. My opinion, my thoughts, don't come for me in the comments. Number seven, my girls will clean out my refrigerator. That is a must. If they do not, I have a problem. Sorry, I'm not taking it back. They will clean out my refrigerator. Number eight, they are responsible to keep their room clean. I'm going to say this again. They are responsible for keeping their room clean and maintained, meaning your beds should be made every day. It should not look like tornadoes hit it every day of the week. And if I have to go in your room and declutter it, I'm throwing everything out. It's simple. I shouldn't have to do something I told you how to do. Rule number nine, they are open to talk to me and they can have their own opinion. It's the way that you address your opinion that can be disrespectful. The tone, the way it's said, and the way it come out. Yes, they very open minded, very open opinion, very much freedom of speech in this house. Rule number 11 is we do not practice religion. Before you come for me, hear me out. My husband is Muslim. I am not. I'm not trying to change his religion, and he is not trying to change mine. So we don't talk about religion and politics in my house. Is just absolutely not allowed. Now, if it's Ramadan or any of those things and he's practicing and doing what he needs to do, I support him 5,000%, 10 toes, hands down. Now, converting? No, I'm not there yet. So we do not force religion on our kids because we feel as an adult, regardless of what we teach them as an adult, they're gonna go and have families of their own. They're gonna practice their own religion. So not too much. Number 12, we require our kids to interact with each other. Now, I'm gonna give you my ages and I need you to understand. I'm gonna say 26, 21, 24, 19, 16, 14, 6, 3, The reason that we require them to interact and talk with each other, cell phones and all that, they're each other best friends. For one simple reason. If something happens to me or their dad, they all each other got in this world. They need to know and be best friends with each other. Period. 10 toes, hands down. I am not arguing with any of y'all. And last but not least, we make time for each other. Meaning, my kids are in bed. Anybody under the age of 14 is in bed by 7:30. 14 and up, that means they can take care of themselves and fend for themselves. So I don't have to. I'm sorry, that is my son y'all here. So while they doing all of that, my husband and I will watch a movie together. We will read a book. We will talk. We make time for each other. So let me know what you think of these little tips and tricks for your household. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to comment below. Stay blessed and not stressed. Later, dolls and gents.